Just got back from Japan and got a few packages for video reviews. Let's see which one is this. So this is a jump starter model GS400 from LIFMOCER. So these are very useful for emergencies on the road. You are on a boat, on a car or anything. But nowadays, not only that, because they double up as power banks. Wow, nice packaging. I like the box actually. Let's take a look. There's a protective film here. It has an emergency light. If I can figure out how to turn it on. Maybe it's not, oh, here it is. It's at 85%. Here's the port to connect the wires, which is this one. Connect it here. And it has a USB-A and USB-C ports to charge your devices, so very useful. Here it is. I'm gonna go out and do a test with this later today. LIFMOCER model GS400 multifunctional car jump starter. Let's read a little bit here. Turn it off. Usually I need to read the instructions, so I'll do that in a minute. So here we are at our favorite warehouse when we have plenty of equipment to test different products. So I brought this LIFMOCER jump starter. We worked before on this Polaris RCR. This one has the battery under the seat here. We're gonna take a look and we're gonna do a quick demonstration about this product here. Super nice box, as we already showed before. So there you have it. The last time we were here, the battery of this one was dead, so we had to use something to start it. Let's see what we got today. So the seat comes out from a switch here in the back. So here's a brand new battery, but it's been sitting here for a while, so it's charging there. There you go. So this is a perfect example of the use for this charger, because when you are out in the wild, the battery can run out and you don't have anything else. The size of it really helps. So there's the seat back and we're ready to roll on this Polaris RCR Pro Star. So there you go. You can travel with this because the size is very compact. I'm gonna keep it in the original box for now, so thumbs up.